The Nova Scotia Supreme Court has struck down the province-wide woods ban introduced in 2025 by Premier Tim Houston, ruling that it was unconstitutional, unreasonable, and overly broad. The court found the ban violated charter-protected mobility rights by restricting access to forests across the province without sufficient justification or proper limits. In his decision, Justice Jamie Campbell emphasized that even in emergency situations, government actions must remain proportionate and must respect fundamental freedoms under the Charter. The ban, introduced in August 2025, carried significant fines for entering wooded areas. It came just days before the province approved aerial spraying of glyphosate in forestry operations, a practice that has been controversial and previously met with public protest. Access restrictions under the ban also made it more difficult for individuals to enter wooded areas where demonstrations had taken place in prior years. The case was supported by the Canadian Constitution Foundation, which argued the policy went too far in limiting public access and set a concerning precedent for broad emergency restrictions. The ruling now raises questions about what happens next for those who were fined under the ban. Some tickets may be withdrawn or overturned, while others could require additional legal steps. In many cases, fines that have already been paid are not automatically refunded unless further action is taken. For many, the impact of the ban was immediate and practical. In rural communities and on working lands, the restrictions created uncertainty, added workload, and disrupted seasonal activity long before the courts were able to rule. While the decision is significant, it also highlights a broader issue: how emergency policies are enforced, and what happens when they are later found to have gone too far, and government leaders overstep their bounds.